of all, I would like to talk about this square mark. Since the songs are getting longer, I decided to put up some rehearsal marks. Rehearsal marks is very useful. For example, if you're playing with somebody, okay, let's practice starting B. Yeah, B section. Right here is a B section. And you can just focus on B rather than just always play through from the top. Or let's start with a third major from C. 1, 2, 3, and then you can practice those. So it's very important to have rehearsal marks. Even in lessons, teachers can do that, and then of course in any ensembles, rehearsal marks are important. Yeah, so you can just read and then you can have the answer here. Okay, and let's talk about how the arrangement goes. You can just practice a melody with right hand, of course. You should have no problem. This has a F has sharp. That means you're gonna play. F is right here. F sharp. Sharp goes this way. Flat goes this way. F sharp. So every time you see those F sharp, you're gonna play F sharp. By the way, this yeah, I need to talk about this too. Those are called accidentals. Accidentals are effective to the end of bar right here. So this is F sharp. This doesn't have sharp right in front, but this is also F sharp. Once you cross the bar, that's gonna cancel everything. Here, F sharp. This is still F sharp, and across the bar, and I cancel the accidental, and then F sharp appears, and then I do not see F from here, but if you see F here, you have to play F natural. Left hand. A section is actually ending with G. The phrase is ending on G. That means in key of G major. So one chord is gonna be G. I want you to play triads again. And G major sus, I hope you remember from the previous song. Yeah, I'm sure you remember that. G major sus should be okay. And here it says in key of D major. So one chord shift to D. D sus 1. So it's depends on the key. One chord always shift, and a D sus, D major, and then half step up here. So D sus 1, 1 sus, and a 1. D major, D sus, and a D major, and then it says in key of G major. So it goes back to key of G major. And it says a power chord there at the end. So you are in key of G major, so make sure to have the power chord on G, not C. 1 doesn't mean C. It always shift. Depends on the key.